My name is John Francis Ellis. I am a blacksmith, bladesmith, and YouTuber. Welcome to my workshop. Probably one of my favorite projects that I've done is the crossbow that I built for the episode of Forged in Fire I was on, that's on the History Channel. It was a really stressful build. I had like 5 days to complete it, and it was a pretty big project, and I haven't really done something of that scale before. So at the time, it wasn't really that fun of a project, just because the time crunch, but looking back on it, that was definitely one of the more interesting builds that I've done.